Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating prerequisites and taking the inventory. Know what you have and why it matters. Once you have counts, sizes, and problematic file types, make sure site structure and library settings match your plan. Pick a migration tool that fits scale and preserve metadata. You want permissions and retention maintained. Start with a small pilot set of representative folders. Run a test pass, review logs, and adjust mapping rules so the full migration runs predictably and without surprises. You now execute the main migration using your chosen tool and the mappings you defined. Start with parallel streams, but throttle to avoid network or tenant throttling. Use chunking for very large files so transfers resume cleanly. Make sure metadata preservation is enabled and that version history settings are considered. Monitor progress dashboards and log errors as they appear. Once a batch completes, validate file counts and spot-check content and permissions. Immediately rerun or fix any items that failed to transfer. You finish by validating everything and switching users over. Once done, reconcile totals, versions, and permissions. Update links, bookmarks, and training notes so people know where to find files. Make sure search indexing and sharing settings are correct, and set retention or lifecycle policies. If something goes wrong, prioritize the log entries, rerun only the failed items, and perform an incremental sync to capture deletes or late changes. Finally, communicate cutover and provide a single support contact to resolve residual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.